Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to enter overtime through our online system, TimeFiler. The first thing to understand is how your overtime is paid. This is detailed in your employment contract. Some apprentices are paid overtime on a daily basis, and some on a weekly basis. If you are paid overtime on a daily basis, this means that any hours you work above your rostered hours for the day will count as overtime. If you are paid overtime on a weekly basis, this means you will need to work all of your weekly rostered hours before overtime is paid. As soon as you reach your rostered hours for the given period, then any time above that is counted as overtime. For daily overtime, if you try to enter more hours than you have been rostered for, you will get this error message saying you need to enter overtime. In this situation, you need to add your rostered hours as ordinary time and click Save. Then you will need to add your overtime hours separately by clicking Add again on the same day. You will see that the start time is already populated with the end time from your ordinary hours. Add your remaining hours and select Overtime. When you save this, no error messages should appear. More than one overtime code. Your contract may include more than one type of overtime. If this is the case, you will see multiple overtime work types available. Once you reach the limit of one overtime type, you will receive an error message saying that the next overtime type must be used. As before, save the overtime at time and a half up to the allowed limit. Then add a new entry for overtime paid at double time. This next tier of overtime will start where your first portion of overtime ended. You may find that you get an error message asking you to add a comment for your manager. Please do this and then click Save. Remember to action and submit your timesheet to ensure that you get paid. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Haere rā.